Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. I want to do a quick DIY with you guys. I started the process just to cut down on time. It will take a little bit of time on this particular project, and you guys know I like quick and easy, so I am somewhat dreading it, but I'm going to go ahead and do it because I think it's going to be cute. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope that you will like this video, give me a thumbs up, and consider being a subscriber. Or you can just go ahead and hit the subscribe button now. Become a part of our family and be one of the first to see my new video. I try to do a video every day. The operative word is try. I don't always get to it, but it is my desire to do this full time and try and get one out there every day to share my ideas with you guys, how you can create elegance for less for your home. So I went ahead and went to the Dollar Tree and I purchased two of their new, they've got great colors in stores right now. And so we all know purple is one of the colors for this season. And so purples and reds, rich colors. So I went ahead and purchased two of the garbage cans, and I turned them, put them together and glue them down. Now don't worry about how much glue is added. The main thing is to have it to where it is sturdy and it does fit perfectly on top of each other. Now what my idea is, my goal is to turn this into a small side table that if you're watching TV or you just need something to rest your drinks on, you can do that. You can also put this on your patio because I am creating a rustic theme with this table. I don't usually do a rustic theme, so whenever I get an idea for a rustic, I'm always excited because I do not have any rustic home decor really. Now I love the shape of this when I turn it upside down on each other. I really like that. So I'm looking forward to see what it's going to look like once I'm done. So basically, let's start with the top. What you're going to need is the two Dollar Tree garbage cans. Glue them together, somewhat of an egg shape. And once you glue them together, you're going to need some twine, and you can get that, the small ones at the Dollar Tree, you can get all different sizes at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and Joann's. This particular one came from Hobby Lobby, and I can't remember how much it was. I want to say it was $4.99 and 40% off. Always remember to use your coupons. It doesn't matter how much money you have, using coupons saves you money so you have more money in your pocket. So what I'm going to do is start from the top. You will need two garbage cans from the Dollar Tree and the twine. I am also considering using a charger for the top so that if we decide we want to put food on it or rest a cup on it, it's sturdy enough. So let's start with putting it all together. I'm excited to see what it's going to look like. And like I always say, start with just a little. Do not go too fast. And work your way all the way around. We're going to glue all the way around. So I'm going to do that and come back and show you where I am so far. Okay guys, so I went ahead and finished the top of a table. Now I was considering doing something different. You know me. Have to do something different, but no diamond wrap today. And this is a rustic theme, so I'm not adding diamond wrap, but what I wanted to do was to add the rope that's here is the smaller one, and I was considering making it much larger at the bottom to just give some interest to it. So I'm going to try it. You let me know what you think. So let's see if I can find where I first started. Let's start here. Don't know if I'm going to find where I first started this. So put the glue down, put your rope down, and then we're going to go around. All the way around. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. So I must tell you that using a larger rope, I had to consistently use the glue all the way around, versus when I did the smaller rope, gluing it, and was able to wrap it around a bit and then add glue. This one wasn't that way. This one I had to add glue consistently throughout doing the bottom. So it took a little bit longer, but now here we are finishing up. Just hold that together and let it dry. Got glue on my finger. Tighten that up a bit. Okay, so there we are. I think it turned out well. And one of the things that I like about having the rope on it is that it gave it a bit more stability on the trash can as well. So now I'm going to move it so you can see it. Now it's a little bit higher so I can pick it up and show you. Now I need a top for this. So I'm going to use an old charger that I have that has a rustic look to it, and it is taller and wider. Now I must tell you why I came to this conclusion. I threw away or gave away all our tables, the tiny tables my husband liked to use. It's a tray. I'm not crazy about those trays. I guess you put food on them. And so my husband's complaining when it's his game time. He doesn't have anything when he wants to sit and eat a sandwich or something there. He has nothing to put his food on. So I decided I would create this, even though it's rustic, for him. Now he can have a little table. I think you'll like it. Okay, let's flip it back over and see what we have. Perfect. I think I like it a lot. Okay, so I'm not quite sure if I want to add some tape on, some rope on here as well, twine, or even at the bottom, so I may do that. Even though you may not really see it, but I think I'm going to do a little bit of that. So I'm going to add the glue down, then the rope. And then I'll see if I can take this all the way around without having to glue all the entire way. Let's see if it'll work. I'm hoping it does, because that's just a lot of glue. I want to say I used at least 10 sticks to accomplish this task project. I don't want to continue that, so maybe put a little bit here. I'm gonna wrap it around, and then I'll be back to show you how it turned out. I think it will be great. So I went ahead and added the rope all the way around, and now I will put it somewhere where you're able to see how it turned out. And I'm hoping that you guys absolutely love it as much as I do. Guys, if you like the way this table turned out, I hope that you'll give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope that you will hit the subscribe button and become a subscriber. And I would love, absolutely love, if you would share these videos with your friends and family. I truly appreciate your time, your support, and guys, I hope to see you on my next video tomorrow.